one of my coworkers got for Amelia. Yeah. And already making fun of it because it, I don't know if you can see it. That's supposed to be a wrench. It's clearly a screwdriver, and then that's clearly a wrench, not a screwdriver. So we're gonna put this together. Put this through like this, and then they give you what looks like a regular screwdriver, and should have like a number 3. It's a number 1. I guess there's another A3. So this one goes together like that. And same thing, this one goes in here. And this goes straight across. A couple more of these. Of course, we gotta keep these out of your hand. Yeah. Because you try to eat everything. Alright, look, see, that goes in there. And this guy goes this way. And then somehow it tightens up. Yeah. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this one. Put this one in there. Snug those down. Yeah, just like that. Okay, there's one. Take this one. Go ahead and take this one. Turn that one. And we'll take this one. What? What? Yeah. You like doing projects? Okay, here's this one. I know you're gonna touch it. All right. What's our next step? How come I gotta do all the work? Okay. Then we need 3. Yeah. Just backwards. And then this one goes in this one. No, don't bite it. No, you can't bite it. All right. You're really close. You are really, really close. Almost. That's going to be our next one. Yeah, it's going to be our next one. Okay. Okay, we got that one. How come I got to do all the work? Nope, can't bite it. Okay, this is D4. Which is this one? This is H. We don't need H. We need, no, we need this one. Instructions do not lie. I don't think you got one of mine. We need D4. Yeah? make sure we doesn't. Oh, that's because this is V. That's why it doesn't match the instructions. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in there. G. Okay. But why are they? Because, and then we're actually gonna do it upside down. Okay, that one. There's only 3 though. Okay, so then we got to take this side, and then we got to put this side like this. Like that. Okay. We gotta put we're almost done. Then we're going to take, hey, be careful, you're going to get hurt. And then we got to take one of these. Hey. Just doesn't, no. Does not seem, flip this one around. Okay. Hey, don't be doing that. No. Okay. No. Okay, and we got this. It's supposed to slide in like that. Okay. Okay. No seat belts or anything in here? Whoa. Whoa. Look how tall you are. Look how tall you are. Wish there was like a safety belt or something in the back. Thanks for watching that one. Don't forget, we got a giveaway coming up at 2,500 subscribers. We're going to be giving away that 8-inch Woodward Fab shear. So make sure you guys are checking out that video. And appreciate watching this one. Catch you on the next one, everybody.